What's up, guys? Today I have this huge box to show you guys. I'm gonna unbox, open that up real quick, let's get right into it. I'm not gonna waste no time. I'll show you guys what this is. So, crack that open. Got all the packaging. That. So this right here, guys, this is the Razer 15 Razer Blade 15 Stealth. This is the model with the i7-9750H, the 240 hertz full HD screen, and the 256 gig storage. Also, this has a 2070 RTX 2070 RTX with 16 gigabytes RAM. So later on, I will be showing you guys a video of how to upgrade your RAM and how to upgrade your hard drive, because I feel like that's the only two flaws on this, and those upgrades are very expensive. You can actually do them on your own for a lot cheaper. So this isn't my first unboxing of a Razer, but it comes in this big box over here, and inside is your charger, which is in this brick. It is a very big charger. I mean, it's not the most portable charger, but I mean, you gotta power this huge gaming rig, right? Because this isn't just a regular laptop. This is a gaming beast. Yeah, you guys can put full HD, full 4K video on this. You can play like Call of Duty in 4K Ultra. It's pretty awesome. So this is where the packaging really comes and shines. The Razer logo on here says Razer, and then it has this little twill tab, almost like a magnet or something in there, and that inside is your Razer. And it says something in the front, doesn't it? For gamers, by gamers. Yes, sir. Really, really nice, really fresh. So let's open that up. Wow. All I can say is, wow, this is a gaming laptop and it looks like a MacBook or something. So the only one thing that's like a sort of a flaw is like the finish on the actual laptop. It is sensitive to fingerprints and oils and things like that, so you don't always want to be touching the laptop, I guess. You can get like these skins. I mean, like right now, I guess it's because it's a newer-ish brand and not as many people use Razer compared to like MacBook and other brands, but yeah, there's not so many cases that you can buy for this model especially. You can only buy like these pouches to put it in. So it does get like fingerprints on it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I've already got a couple just by touching it, but that's okay. I don't really mind. I mean, it's just a laptop, right? Anyways, so what you can do that is, I've seen a lot of other people do, is they get these skins, which is like a sticker that goes on and just protects the layer and it makes it look nice, gives it a nice finish. So you can do that if you want something custom or whatever. And inside the box, you guys can see there's just this pouch that was in there. Take that out, and this is your manuals, and it should be some stickers, and they have this really nice cloth. So these stickers are really, really nice. Put them somewhere. They're like holographic. This cleaning cloth, which is very, very useful if you if you get your fingerprints on your laptop, you can easily clean them off, which is really nice. So it's nice to include something like that, because this does really get annoying sometimes. It kind of takes away from the finish, and that's why I might actually invest into getting a skin. I usually don't like doing that stuff, but you know what, I might have to do it. Really love this laptop though. It's amazing, like super fast. This is the second one that I've gotten because the first one had a few problems. I'm sure if you've checked out any other reviews, people will tell you that these laptops are prone to just problems in general. But if you do get a working proper one, which basically most retailers you buy this laptop from will offer like some sort of guarantee or warranty for the first couple months or so, and you can just replace it. Like this one I got from Microsoft, which has like some amazing deals on this laptop all the time, and got it for pretty cheap compared to how much it usually goes for, and it came with I think like 60 days warranty. So yeah, there's just a little sticker here. I'll take that off later, but it says 240 hertz. This is a 1080p screen, but see, the thing about that is you can go with the 4K screen, but your battery will die faster. It takes a lot more power from the battery, and the batteries on these are good, but they're just not good enough for something this powerful, right? Because this thing will die pretty fast, especially if you put it up to the test and start pushing games and high-res whatever videos and stuff. So it's like, I mean, it's still a great laptop, don't get me wrong. It is one of the best laptops out there, and it's like sleek, looks really nice. It's got RGB lighting all over the keyboard. This lights up as well. It looks amazing. It plays amazing. It's completely smooth. Like I said, it might have one or two problems, but you can easily get that fixed. You get a new one, just like how they sent me this brand new one. And I'm hoping this doesn't have any problems, but if it does, I will send it in. Let me go ahead and turn that on right now. See what's going on. Okay, it looks like it needs a charge before turning it on, so I'll have to do that in a second. But I can go ahead and show you guys the ports that come on this. So we got Type C port, USB, we got like a mini display port, we got a regular HDMI, and then you see this little touch with the green, makes it look real nice, brings back the Razer branding. On the other side, we got the charging port. We got two more USBs and then audio output, so it's really nice. Now, it's just some dust. It looked like this was worn out, but it's just some dust. So this is brand new. Very nice. Okay. Also, as I said, it's got the 2070 with Max-Q design, VR graphics ready, 8GB VRAM, 9th gen Intel i7 processor, got 6 cores, up to 4.5 GHz. Now that is very fast, very nice, and this thing is really nice. For myself, I prefer to actually use it in my TV or an external monitor, because the screen that I have is great, and I chose this screen because of the battery life, as I said. But to get the full experience of like what this thing can handle and what it can do, you need an external screen, like a 4K screen or ultra wide or something a little bit, more, if you want to really use this. So I think that's the best way to use this. More like it's like having your desktop, which I have here, but being able to take that away and make it portable, right? Like, to use all that power, you're gonna need power source, right? So these batteries obviously aren't as good, but that's why I went with the 1080p, right? So that we could use it for longer, and it's more like an experience, a laptop experience, rather than something that would just die in a few minutes, right? So let me go ahead and plug that in. So as you can see here, this is the battery. It says welcome to the cult of Razer. Open this up. We got battery pack right here. So this is like, there's no portable way of bringing this around. This is like something you have to bring around. So I mean, it would have been nice if they did something like MacBook where you get that like mini charger and then long charger, but this is what you get with Razer, and it works. I mean, this actual brick takes a lot of power, like a lot of power. So you can't just plug it into anywhere. This won't like work on an airplane, for example. If you wanted to take this to, like, this isn't your everywhere laptop. This is your like laptop that's basically like a desktop. You know what I'm saying? It brings the power, it brings the heat, and when you have something that powerful, you need a power source. So that's just the way it goes. You got this, plug that in to this brick, and then it will power up our Razer. So let's get it started. See, I like to keep it tied up. This is very nice, actually. The way, I mean, I've seen this on a lot of laptops, but I don't know. This is just like a nice make, or whatever type of material they use. It's really nice, and also it's like a rope on the thing, on the actual charger, so this won't wear out, you know. So it's really well made. It's just that I wish they added like a portable feature or something like that, but then again, with all this power, can't be complaining about these small things, right? Because I mean, once you use this laptop, once you play like 4K gaming on the go, in like when you're traveling, when you're at the library, whatever, you're doing all this like crazy stuff that you would only be able to do at home. I mean, you can't be complaining. And the price isn't so bad on this one compared to like most laptops in this range. I mean, I was able to pick this up for like, I would say 3,000 around, and like this laptop goes for easily $4,000 plus, and like MacBook, in like Acer, all these other brands, they do a lot more expensive. So go ahead and charge this a little bit. There you go. See the light up? And in the front, keyboard's lighting up. We just go ahead and see if this is going to turn on. So it is taking a minute. I have a feeling that it needs to actually charge a little bit before you can turn it on and set it up. So let me give that a few minutes. Hey guys, so the Razer's turned on, and as you can see, it's running me through Windows 10 setup. So I mean, not much to show you, but there's Windows 10 on here, Professional Edition, pretty sure 64-bit. Yeah, so it's a really nice laptop all around. The only thing, other than the fingerprints, is that this laptop does get hot. So I mean, think about the power again, right? Like, the power brings it needs a lot of energy, and turns into kinetic energy, heats up, and these parts get really hot because they're really powerful. So in order to cool them down, there are these fans and airflow, and they do work really well at the bottom here, as you can see. But if you are to put, like, for example, a blanket or something here that would cover these vents here, you won't be getting nice airflow. So this isn't your laptop that you want to bring and put onto the blanket or put onto like a couch or something. You want to either have it on your lap, have it on a desk, or there's actually an item that I purchased because of this laptop, and it actually really helps because whenever you are working on a laptop, sometimes you need some extra desk space, right? And what helped me was this product called a lap desk, and you can get these on Amazon or anywhere probably, where you basically have a cushion at the bottom and on top is a desk. I'll leave a link in the description below, but this product really helpful with this because you can actually have a mouse pad, your laptop, all on a desk, and then underneath is a pillow, and you just put that on anything. You can put it on your lap, on your bed, on your blankets, wherever you want. It's really nice, works really well, and it really does a good job with airflow because it's a flat surface and it improves the airflow to the maximum. Really keeps this thing going and working well. So I will let you guys know where I got mine and which one I got in the link below, in the description below. But that's all for today. I will be showing you guys another video later on about how to upgrade the RAM and how to upgrade the hard drive. So stay tuned for that. If you're looking to get this laptop, I definitely recommend it. Just make sure that you buy from a trusted retailer. I would go with Microsoft. They have a lot of good deals. You can sign up for the student discount, which is like $200-300 off, 10%, which you don't even have to be a student. You just click I'm a student and it works. There's no like verification or anything. So you guys can go ahead and try that out. If you want this laptop, go ahead and grab it. It's an amazing laptop. Don't have any doubts. You know, there's very good warranty and other things that make this worth it. So go for it.